Have you ever wondered why some plants grow better together than others? It's all about companion planting, a technique that enhances growth, boosts soil health, and manages pests. This gardening technique, known as companion planting, can be a game changer for your garden. So, how does companion planting work? Well, it's all about creating relationships between different plants. Some plants, for instance, can enrich the soil with nutrients that others need. There are also plants that can deter pests, acting like natural bodyguards for their neighbors. And let's not forget about those that attract beneficial pollinators, helping their companions to thrive. It's like a harmonious community where everyone has a role. It's like matchmaking for plants. Finding the right partners can create a thriving ecosystem in your garden. Ready to give companion planting a try? Here's how you can start. First, choose the right plants. For instance, tomatoes and basil are a classic pairing, as basil helps to repel pests that love tomatoes. Next, prepare your soil. Good compost and organic matter give your plants the best chance of thriving. Once your soil is ready, plant your seeds or seedlings. Remember to follow the spacing recommendations on the seed packets or plant labels. Finally, take care of your plants. Water and feed them regularly, and keep an eye out for pests. Remember, patience is key. It might take some trial and error to find the perfect plant companions, but the results will be worth it. So, are you ready to bring harmony to your garden with companion planting? Remember, this simple method not only enhances your garden's beauty, but also boosts your plant's health and productivity. It's a win-win. It's time to let nature work her magic in your garden. Give companion planting a shot and watch your garden thrive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!